Let's talk about a powerful question in the crypto space. Can an AI-powered trading bot like Jonny Blockchain outperform or match the performance of an expert trader? Let's break it down. A skilled human trader brings experience, market intuition, and an ability to read between the lines of price action. They analyze technical indicators, global news, sentiment, and economic trends. But human traders have limitations. They need sleep. They get emotional. They can overtrade, hesitate, or miss out on moves because of fear, doubt, or distraction. And no matter how experienced they are, they can't monitor the market 24 hours per day, 7 days a week. Jonny Blockchain is an AI-powered trading platform built for both beginners and seasoned users. It doesn't get tired, it doesn't panic, it doesn't need coffee. It follows a predefined strategy with precision. It watches the market every second and reacts instantly when your trading rules are triggered. You can set up spot and grid bots in just minutes with no coding required. It trades directly through your CEX or DEX accounts, and your funds stay in your control at all times. Best of all, it's just $25 a year for unlimited bots. So how do they compare? An expert trader might outperform a bot during high-impact news events or sudden market shifts because of intuition and experience. But the Jonny Blockchain bot never takes a break. It trades with discipline, it removes emotion, and when it comes to consistency, automation, and hands-free execution, the bot wins every time. And let's not forget, most traders lose money not because they lack skill, but because they lack consistency. That's exactly where automation shines. Whether you're just starting out or you've been trading for years, Jonny Blockchain gives you an edge. You can test multiple strategies, automate your trading, and protect yourself from emotional decisions. And if you're already an expert, use the bot to free up your time and scale your strategies. So human or bot, you don't have to choose. Use your brain and let the bot do the work. Create your free account at jonnyblockchain.com, set up your first bot in minutes, and trade smarter, not harder.